Class 5, Lesson 6, The Wise Judgment. From this lesson, we can complete all the 10 worksheets in this video. Worksheet 6.1. First Roman, read the text from the lesson and answer the following. Identify 6-lettered words from the above passage and write their meanings with the help of a dictionary. Let us identify the 6-letter words: little, pockets, people, hungry. Little, small in quantity or size. Pocket, a small pouch or fold sewn into clothing. Hungry, waiting to eat or act of hunger. People, human beings. Second Roman, fill in the blanks using the hints given in the box. First blank, a poor traveler was walking through the streets of a town. Second one, he had spent his last penny. Third blank, he saw several people sitting round the fire. Fourth blank, on the fire there was a large cooking pot. Third Roman, write names of food items you know. One has been done for you. Chapatis, idli, dosa, vada, samosa, rice. Worksheet 6.2. First Roman, read the text from the lesson and answer the following. Write some sentences using the table given below. Let us write the sentences from the phrases given in the table. He took the piece of dry bread out of his pocket. Raju took the pencil out of his bag. Kamala took the money out of his wallet. Naveen took the flower out of the vase. Second Roman, write the missing letters to make meaningful words. Warner, O-W-N-E-R, Warner. Customer, C-U-S-T-O-M-E-R, customer. Money, M-O-N-E-Y, money. Pocket, P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket. Imagine, I-M-A-G-I-N-E, imagine. Smell, S-M-E-L-L, smell. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Housekeeper, H-O-U-S-E-K-E-E-P-E-R, housekeeper. Third Roman, write the words by adding ly to the root words. Slowly, quickly, roughly, smoothly, lovely. Worksheet 6.3. First Roman, read the text from the lesson and answer the following. Find the past form of the verbs from the above paragraph and write them below. One has been done for you. Children, let us identify the verbs from the passage. Hurried, happened, asked, came, helped, cooked, forced. Now let us write these words in the worksheet. Hurried, happened, asked, came, helped, cooked, forced. Second Roman, unscramble the letters to make meaningful words. One has been done for you. Corner, court, magistrate, scholar, matter, helped, smell, cooked, forced. Third Roman, circle the odd one from the following words. Nasruddin, eating housekeeper, poor man, pot. In the first group, three words belongs to persons and pot is an object. So circle the pot. Second one, meatballs, chapatis, magistrate, rice. In this group, meatballs, chapatis and rice belongs to food items. So magistrate is the odd word. Third one, court, angry, school, office. In this group, court, school, office, these three words belongs to places. Angry is a odd word. Fourth one, himself, herself, themselves. Scholar. In this group, the odd word is scholar. Worksheet 6.4. First Roman, read the text from the lesson and answer the following. Match the expressions in the two columns to make meaningful sentences. First one, yes sir, I can. The eating housekeeper replied. Second one, now can you still hear something? The scholar asked. Third one, I can still hear the pennies shaking together. But why are you doing this? Fourth one, the sound of money is a fair payment for the smell. Fifth one, let this poor traveler continue his journey. Find the rhyming words from the help box and write them in the space provided. Children, rhyming words are the set of words which end with the same sound. Let us identify the rhyming words from the help box. Hell, smell. Good, food. Sound, round. Jenny, penny. Honey, money. Mask, ask. Bag, pack. Worksheet 6.5. First Roman, reading comprehension. Read the following sentences and write who said these lines to whom. We shall identify the sentences and who said the sentence with whom. In this Roman, let us consider the owner of the eating house as shopkeeper, the scholar as the magistrate, and the poor man as traveler. First sentence, do you want to buy some meatballs? This sentence was said by shopkeeper with the traveler. Yes sir, I can hear. This sentence was said by shopkeeper with the scholar. Can you hear anything? The scholar asked the shopkeeper. Do you have anything to say on your side? This sentence was said by scholar with the traveler. I cannot pay him as he want. This sentence was said by the traveler to scholar. Sir, I am so grateful to you. This sentence was said by traveler to scholar. Don't worry, I will pay him. This sentence was said by scholar with the traveler. Next one, I have therefore paid twice. This sentence was said by scholar to shopkeeper. I can still hear the pennies shaking, but why are you doing this? This sentence was said by shopkeeper to scholar. Surely the sound of money is a fair payment for it. Smell of meatballs. This sentence was said by a scholar to the shopkeeper. The next Roman is dictation. Worksheet 6.6. First Roman, a compound word is a word made of two words that are joined together. The words cooking and pot can be joined to make a compound word, cooking pot. Children, let us learn about compound word. The combination of two or more words to form a new word is known as compound word. In a compound word, we can find two different words which are joined together to form a new word. Circle the compound word in each group. Let us identify the compound word from each group. Eating house, happiness, thunder. In these three words, the compound word is eating house. Butter, peanut, bread. Peanut. Peanut is a compound word formed with P and nut. Third group. Traveler, magistrate, housekeeper. In this group, the compound word is housekeeper. Keyboard, computer, mouse. In these three words, the compound word is keyboard. Biscuit, cupcake, chocolate. In these three words, the compound word is cupcake. Whale, tortoise, starfish. In this starfish. Sunglasses, mirror, spectacle. In these three words, the compound word is sunglasses. Pillow, airbag, cushion. In these three words, the compound word is airbag. Second Roman, fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Children, to complete this Roman, let us first learn about homophones. The words which are pronounced in the same way but they are different in spellings and meanings are called homophones. That means homophones are the words which are pronounced in the same way but these words will have different spellings and meanings but the pronunciation is same. First blank, I am going to write a letter to my teacher. Second one, where are going? Third one, the king and the queen welcomed their new prince. Fourth one, put the dishes over there in the kitchen. These chocolates were bought from the shop, but John brought this cake from home. Sixth one, the shopping mall is quite big, but it is not quite because there are so many people. Worksheet 6.7. First Roman, choose the correct verb forms and fill in the blanks. First one, he always bakes a cake. Second one, our parents work at the same place. Third one, she runs to school when she is late. Fourth one, our teacher will write a note if we make mistakes. The elephants drink a lot of water. I often draw pictures. There were 3 flowers in the vase. One of the cars goes very fast. Second Roman, change the following sentences into negative sentence. Children, to change a sentence into a negative sentence, we shall add the word not, NOT not, to the sentence. My sister will not have lunch with me tomorrow. Second one, I shall not play football with you. Third one, the party will not start at 7:30 p.m. Fourth one, Mohan will not work in the library. Fifth one, my friends will not write an examination next week. Third Roman, unscramble the letters to make them meaningful adjectives and write in the blanks. First one, poor, P-O-O-R, poor. Delicious, D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. Wise, W-I-S-E, wise. S-M-E-L-L, smell. R-O-U-G-H, rough. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Fourth Roman, write sentences of your own using the adjectives given in Roman 3. One has been done for you. Children, let us write sentences using the 8 adjectives which we have written in the third Roman. The cake is delicious. She seems to be kind and wise. Your feet smells so bad. It was difficult to walk on the rough ground. Honey tastes sweet. She looks very happy. The hungry belly never knows the taste. Worksheet 6.8. First Roman. Read the following expression. The traveler was so happy for the judgment given by the scholar. He said, "It's so great of you." Match the given situations with the expressions which are in the help box. Children, let us match the expressions with the given situations. When I am scared, I say, "Hey, be careful." When I am surprised, I say, "Ha, what a surprise." When I am confused, I say, "Oh gosh, I am confused." When I am pleased, I say, "Wow, that's great." When I am concerned, I say, "Oh my God." Next Roman is dictation. Worksheet 6.9. First Roman. Notice. A notice board consists of the title, the instructions or agenda, the addresser and the addressee. Now write a notice on Swachh Pathshala rally on the above guidelines. All the parents, children and teachers are requested to attend the rally in the catchment area on Swachh Pathshala. Date 29 December 2021. Time 10 am. Venue MPP School. Other details about the rally are available with the headmaster. Worksheet 6.10. First Roman. Reading comprehension. Read the following passage carefully. One day, an illiterate man came to Mullah Nasruddin with a letter and said, "Mullah Nasruddin, please read this letter to me." Mullah looked at the letter but could not make out a single word. So he said to the man, "I am sorry, I cannot read this." The man cried, "Mullah Nasruddin, you must be ashamed of wearing the turban." Mullah Nasruddin removed the turban from his own head and placed it on the head of the illiterate man and said, "There now you wear the turban. If it gives some knowledge, read the letter yourself." Answer the following. First question. Why couldn't the man read the letter for himself? The man couldn't read the letter for himself because he is an illiterate. Second question. How did Nasruddin answer the man? Nasruddin answered the man that he could not read the letter. Third question. What did the man want Nasruddin to do for him? The man wanted Nasruddin to read his letter. Fourth question. What did you learn from the story? We can get knowledge by education but not from the things we wore. Fifth question. What is the meaning of illiterate in the above passage? Illiterate means the person who cannot read and write. Read the lesson and answer the following questions. First question. Why did the traveler's mouth water? The traveler's mouth watered because of the delicious smell of the meatballs. Second question. Why was the eating housekeeper angry? The eating housekeeper was angry as he saw the traveler eating his bread using the smell of meatballs. Third question. What was the demand of the eating housekeeper? The eating housekeeper demanded money from the traveler. Fourth question. How did the traveler satisfy his hunger? He held his piece of dry bread over the pot of meatballs and ate the bread. Fifth question. If you were the traveler in the story, how would you respond to the eating housekeeper's demand? If I were the traveler in the story, I would strongly refuse to pay the money. Sixth question. Do you agree with the judgment of the scholar? Why? Yes, I agree with the judgment of the scholar because it is a wise judgment.